Good morning to you guys, and today I'm gonna show you a really cool game which is based on physics. Here we have like physics, and whole my game, let me show you, is based on physics, so let's play it. I have two characters, one character, two character. This character is played for computer, this character is played for me. And I use arrows. And I try to fight with my character. I have also this big axe, which is spinning, and I can use it. You see, my character is jumping. Very easy to do. So first of all, let me show you what we have like painted. We have sprite 1, that's a fighter. Let's go to his costume. And I did it very easy and simple way. Like I made him of circles. So if you move the thing, that's all made with circles. Why did I make it with circles? Because it's very easy to change him. If, for example, I need his legs move like this, I just move those thingies, those little circles. You see? And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 costumes. One is a standing one, then it's kind of hitting and moving and everything else. And if I need one more costume, I just copy this one, duplicate, and I will just move. Maybe like this. You see, those circles gives you possibility to manipulate your character as much as you want. And his legs maybe will go different. You see, that's it. And the second character is the same one. I just copied this one and I changed him. So what I do, I go to sprite 1, do duplicate. I have 3 characters and I just change. So let me add the color. Maybe this one will be green. And I choose bucket tool and I paint him a little bit. That's my third character. You see, that's how easy it's to do with all those circles. And now I have character, character, and character. 2 against 1, for example. Yay. And for this axe that is spinning, it's very simple. It just, let me show you. You see, it's just a line, big block. I will switch to black mode so you can see it better. So that's just rectangle, circle, and some triangles. Easy to do. You do like this. Then you use circle. Then you use rectangular. Then you just change it a little bit like this. You copy it. You paste it. You flip it vertically, and here you go. Extra easy to do. So that's it about characters we have. We have 2 characters. Remember, it's all made with little circles. This one is just copied and changed his underwear. And the third one, it's also easy to do. 3 characters. Let's go to code. We have this guy, sprite 1, boxer, kickboxer, and that's his code. So first of all, you need physics. Here is a physics, you see, I click it. You need to get it from extensions. You go out here, you roll down until you find box 2D physics, created by GriffPatch, this one. You click it, okay, and you have it right in the end. So what's important to know for physics, just to start physics works, you need this block. You guys have to remember this block like a lot. Print it out, this block, it's like number 1 in physics. Let me just outline it. You can copy it from right out here. Set stage boundaries to box stage. So here we have 3 options. Box stage, it means your stage is set up to box. Your characters are not gonna fall through. Open with floor, So it means it will have floor, but sides and top will be open. Your characters will go behind boundaries, will go left as much as you want, right or top. But the floor, they will not go through floor. And open, no floor. It means there is no floor, no boundaries. Your character, okay, set gravity. So that's a gravity actually. We have gravity minus 10, y equals minus 10. So y, let me show you. So y, that's from top to bottom, vertical. And we have it minus 10. It means your objects will always fall down. You can change your gravity any direction. Let me put back, because normal gravity is from top to bottom, minus 10. So by axis y, it will fall down. If you want a gravity more, like they will stick to the bottom, like super gravity, like there are planets where they can, gravity is few times higher than planet Earth gravity, you put here more. Or maybe there is something heavy, like a tractor, you put like more. You put like 50, minus 50, and your object will be very heavy, and it will get to the floor like a lot. So that's a gravity. That's where you set gravity. Okay, enable for all sprites, mode normal. Let me show you. Enable for this costume, enable for this circle and all sprites. If it's for all sprites, the gravity will spread for all sprites. If it's just for this costume, it will be just for this, like object. And circle. So circle, your object will be treated like a circle. The gravity will be applied to this object like a circle. Okay, and the next one, step simulation. It means the gravity will work like non-stop. Forever, step simulation. We have this guy, that's for him. Okay, let's move to the next one. So control, when up arrow on a keyboard, you can assign any arrow. When up arrow is pressed, point in direction like normal. He's standing out here like vertically. So I want him just to stand up. Every time I press up arrow, every time he stands up. Push with force. So when I press with up arrow, I push with force in direction up. So push with force, that's understandable. He will go somewhere, like he will move up. With a push with force 5. I can do it more, like 30. Let me test it. Up arrow, and you see he goes like a lot. He jumps like super jumper. I don't need it. I need a little bit, maybe even 4. Okay, when left arrow key pressed, push with force in the direction left. I put it a little bit like higher. So it's just this side. I made it like this. When right arrow key pressed, push with force 5 in direction, this direction. That's understandable, that's control. You can find all those elements out here. There is also spin with force. You can make spin with force. So let's assign the key. So when I press space, he spins with force. Let's expand. And I press space. And he spins. He spins a little bit. No, he spins fine. You. He's like a superhero or something. So maybe I will put it less, maybe 50. Let me try it. Yeah. You. And then I control with arrows, left, right, up, 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 spin, spin, move left. Every time I press up arrow, he stands up. Moving right, moving left, space bar to spin. You see, up, left, right, spin. Yeah. Okay, I showed you already how to manipulate your character. And the last one, forever. If any key is pressed, repeat 4 times next costume. So any key, if I press any key, it just costume switches. Any key, like S, you see, W, Q, any key. I press any key and my characters just move their up arrow, game starts. Yeah. So let's see. When green flag clicked, point in direction. See, he will just stand up and go to certain place. Every time I press, he goes out here, you see? And I press up and he stands. Yeah, he already started fighting. Okay, and space, spin with force. You can go through all those commands in physics and you can find lots of good stuff out here. It can be fixed, density, friction, lots of stuff. List of sprites touching, make a scroll. Here is the basic. If you want to work with physics, that's a arrows and push with force, spin with force, that's important too. Okay, so now we can go to another part. We have another boxer, and another boxer basically does nothing. He stands up, he goes to certain place, and he switches costume too. So I made second boxer weak, because it's like a computer boxer, and our boxer is in red, so he kind of has to win. If you want it, you can put more features, or you can put another keyboard arrows, buttons to control him. So it can be like 2-player game. Let's go to sprite 3. And sprite 3, that's the thing is that spins. Very easy to draw. You see, very easy to draw. And the code is set fixed but can rotate. You see, we have 3 options. Free, just will fall down. Fixed in place, it will get fixed, you cannot move it. Let me stop it. Fixed in place, you see, nothing happens, it just fixed as it is. And fixed in place, it can rotate. Let me just put my character, and you see it can rotate. I can drop him and it influences. Yeah. If I throw it, you see it rotates well. So that's pretty much it. That's a game. Very easy to do. All the physics, it's very easy. Basically a few lines of physics. For my students, I just print out this command. That's very important. This command is good too. Moving with arrows. You can improve it as much as you want. You can add features, levels, more weapons. Your characters can choose weapons. It's all up to you, but that's a basic. Sign up for Tamagiki Academy. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya.